Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 24 June 2018, 17 of hour, 46 of minute and 15 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what year is my Zippo? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what year is my Zippo. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what year is my Zippo. As with most collectibles, the date of manufacture of a Zippo lighter often affects its value. Valuable information on the bottom of every Zippo windproof lighter can help you determine its date of manufacture. Starting in the mid-50s, a date code was stamped on the bottom of every Zippo lighter made. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.